Hey everybody, welcome to Green Lane Off-Road. My name's Donovan, and today we're going to be fitting a set of our 6th Gen 4RUNNER Molle Side Panels. We'll start by installing the suction cups to the back side of the Molle panel. The suction cups will be located on the 2 slotted vertical holes. We're going to use the 1/2 inch long stainless 1/4 inch bolt with a steel washer on the outside. Then we'll pass it through the Molle panel with the rubber washer on the inside. And lastly, the suction cup. We'll leave these loose for now. Molle panel is going to install on the 2nd and 3rd rear cross member slots. If you don't have a cross member installed in the roof rack on either of these slots, use the supplied 1-inch hardware with a nut on the backside. If you do have crossbars in these slots like we do, we'll swap out the 3/4 inch long bolts for a 1-inch bolt supplied in the hardware kit. Next, give the rear window a wipe down to ensure good adhesion of the suction cups. Next, we'll install the top bolts of the panel, which will go through the panel, the roof rack side rail, and into the crossbar. Next, we'll press the suction cups into place and turn the twist locks. Lastly, we'll tighten the bolts holding the suction cups to the Molle panel. These just need to be snug, as the rubber washer behind will take up the tension. Install complete.